Where do you want to go? Middle or front?
Where do you want to go?
Don't mind.
You want to go the front?
Are you excited?
Right, picture of Marvin.
Picture of Marvin, Noah. Smile for Marvin. Cheese. Everybody. Cheese. Noah, don't smile with Marvin.
That's the specialty one.
We're going.
Yeah.
Dad, where's my whale?
Uh-huh.
We're going to see.
Where's my dolphin?
Where's your what? Dolphin, it's in the bag.
Yes.
Here we go. Iggle Piggle. You're watching out for him.
You come here just for the ride,
I'm going to squirrel. Didn't know they were in the night garden. Oh, it's Marvin sitting on.
Here, Noah. Dinky Nose. Is it Dinky Nose?
Ninky Nog. Oh no, it's the Ninky Nog.
Can you say that?
Catch the Ninky Nog.
Where's Dinky Nose gone?
It's gone that way.
I don't know how it feels, but I wonder if anyone's going to do your...
You know what? Of all the weekends, it was a good weekend to get him, wasn't it?
Do they know that he's going to see CBeebies Land?
We told him when we got him yesterday.
Because you could have just said, no, we booked it just for Marvin.
Sit down, darling.
Is it Ping Pong?
Oh, look.
Oh, it's the Tumbly Boos.
Omnibus. No,
Say, Daddy, you can put your top on that. Right.
Omnibus sit on the floor. Oh,
Can you see?
hi. Listen, Abby.
Omnibus sit on the floor.
They are.
Here is my nose. Omnibus, omnibus.
That's how it goes.
Oh, what's called these?
Carhoos.
We came up with our boot.
Came up with what?
Our boot.
Your nose.
Nothing new.
Oh, yeah.
Who is it? What are they?
Sit down, Noah. Gotta say sit down on the boat.
What is it?
That's the Harhoos.
Say hi, Harbours.
That thing just reminds me, you know, them highlights you used to get as a kid.
Yeah. All different colours.
Yeah.
Sit
Sit down.
All the way to the bottom of the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. I think this is possibly one of my favourite rides here, though. You know, it's just peaceful.
Calm down.
Yeah.
Relaxing.
Don't rock the boat. Don't rock the
Mom, I'm gonna sit down over here.
You sit next to Marvin.
Smile at Daddy.
Cheese.
Right, sit down now.
Well, I'm gonna sit next
Round the corner.
You can't sit there.
Who's round the corner?
There's some.
No,
Oh, Noah.
Is it? Who's that there?
Is he here? Yes.
It's Macca Bacca.
Are you clear? Your hands, okay? With you. Ready?
Hi, Macca
Macca,
Bacca.
Acca,
Acca,
Wacca,
Wacca,
Micca,
Micca,
Macca,
Macca,
Moo.
Moo. Macca Bacca.
Acca, Yakka, Icka, Acca, Ooh. Dum, Acca, Pang, Ing, Ang, Ooh. Macca, Pacca, Acca, Wacka, Micca, Macca, Moo.
Living like the best life here.
Oh, yeah.
Round this corner.
Who can you spot, Noah?
who's that?
Bye, Upsy Daisy.
Blow kisses to
Who is
Upsy
it?
Daisy.
Who's here?
Porcupines.
Bye bye, Upsy
Yeah.
Daisy.
Can you see the Pontypines?
I'm sure.
Shall we watch it go when we get home?
It's the Pontypines. All together, off we go.
You can.
I'm just going to go upstairs.
Didi
What's a Pontypine? Pontypine.
Who's that?
Pickle, pickle. And Macca Packa.
It's Eagle
Yeah. And the
Yes, my name is Eagle Pickle. Eagle Pickle, wiggle, nickle, diggle. Yes, my name is Eagle Pickle.
Wave.
Eagle Pickle, nickle, nickle, woo.
Say bye, Eagle Pickle.
Look, there are all of Eagle Pickle's friends.
Kisses.
Goodbye, Farhoos. Goodbye, Pontypines. Goodbye,
tired now.
Tollyboos.
This the big in the night garden book.
Goodbye, Upsy
Noah,
Daisy.
what does that say?
Eagle Pickle, it's time for us to go.
Eagle Pickle.
Leave him here. Don't touch him.
Okay.
Sit down.
No, sit down over here. Look, it says please remain seated.
Have you seen his arm?
It's got right bottom again, hasn't it? Yeah,
You've got seasonal eczema.
it's not eczema though, is it? Because it's not like red.
You smell. You stink, dude.
It's because it's not had a shower in about 3 days.
Probably. Smell stinky.
It wasn't me trumping. It must have been Harvey.
I love you so much.
Stinky.
Sit down.